What's up, crew? So it is Texas snow day, and all day yesterday it was below 30 degrees, and this is the first time ever since I've been alive that there has been snow on the ground for longer than 24 hours in central to south Texas, and this is just crazy. I was inside all day yesterday. Luckily I have had heat, but many people in Texas have been without power and without heat and actually clean water too. And so it is still unsafe to drive. It's still only 30 degrees. As you can see, there is still snow everywhere, and right now I'm trying to walk down my driveway. Me and Alicia need a little bit of food, and Whole Foods is open from 12 to 5, and it's about a 2.5 mile trek for me to get to Whole Foods. Decided to go over there, and I'm all bundled up. I have like 5 layers on, 2 pairs of pants, got my trail shoes on, and we're gonna make the 2.5 mile trek over to Whole Foods. So that's gonna be my exercise for the day. I think I'll stay warm enough, and I'll just give you guys a couple of shots of what Austin looks like right now on one of the biggest snow days that I've ever experienced in Austin, Texas. Let's check it out. What's up, guys? We made it to Zilker Park. I should have brought some sunglasses. It is crazy bright out here, and we made it to Zilker Park. Check this out. Look how pretty that looks. Look at it. Woo! Oh, look at the, not sludgy at all, just super powdery snow. Golly. Hold on a second. Let's do some slow-mo running in this stuff.
This is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes in, don't you let it go. Honey, this is all that you want and more. When you open your mind and open the front door. Only one thing I know is that good things happen when you lose control. A real change inside my soul. The sun is coming up, down every road. Got some loving in your heart, so baby, use it, use it. Instead of being so afraid you're gonna lose it. Darling, this is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes in, don't you let it go.
So this big old building right here, there's an alarm going off saying warning, warning, attention, attention, and there's nobody in it. I hope everything's okay. Somebody just walked by and said that it's probably because the power's been going on and off that the alarm's going off. But anyways, you can kind of hear it. Anyways, I hope everything's okay in there. Hope there's nothing bad happening. At least there's nobody in the building. Anyways, as like I said a while ago, Texas, here in Austin, the power has been going in and out all throughout Austin. Anyways, it's rough. See you in a minute.
This is what you've been waiting for. When it all comes in, don't you let it go. Honey, this is all that you want and more.
What's up, guys? You made it to Whole Foods. There is a lot of people driving around. Hopefully they all take it slow. Doesn't look like anybody's slipping and sliding. I'm trying to do the crosswalk, but looks like the power's out here. Yep, power is out. And the crosswalks aren't working. So we are just gonna, let's see if I can get across here just a second. And let's see if we can get across this. Look how terrible this looks. Look at that sludge. And actually, I think I want to try getting across over here. It does not look like Whole Foods is open. We're here. Let's see what the sign says. I don't think they got power.
Yeah, which is weird. I literally got a message like an hour ago.
Huh?
Closed.
Doesn't look like they're open 12 to 5 today. Whole Foods can't run without power. There's like 0 lights in there. Man. So that was a wasted 3 miles. Since Whole Foods didn't work out, we're gonna go check Trader Joe's website. It says it's open. We will go see. It's probably like a wicked long line though. Let's go see. So back there was a guy on the 3rd floor. There was a door open and a bunch of water was falling down. It kind of made me think that a water pipe burst. There's a ton of water pouring out of one of the apartments on the 3rd floor. That sucks. Anyways, almost to Trader Joe's. Let's go see what's going on. Okay, so we're at Trader Joe's. It's open. Look at this line though. So the line starts here. It goes down there, wraps around the corner, all the way down there, down this way. Lines down this way, and then it goes around the corner over here. I would predict that this line is about 3 hours long to get through. That's what I would predict. Golly. All right. So all these people are waiting in line for Trader Joe's. That's a bit ridiculous. Keep your fingers crossed. I mean, it's supposed to heat up in the next couple of days. So keep your fingers crossed that, you know, this is all over in a couple of days, that we don't need to stockpile on a bunch of stuff. Anyways, there is a Trader Joe's over next to my apartment. Let's walk the 3 miles back to my apartment and then we'll go check out that Trader Joe's. Let's go.
It's so hard to stay on top of the world when the world keeps telling you who you should be. All these people telling you what you need. Oh, darling, only you can set your spirit free. Pay attention now, I ain't gonna stop it, honey, everything you need.
What's up, guys? So I made it to the other Trader Joe's, which is really close to my apartment. And as you can see, they're closed as well. So it's either wait in line for 4 hours or don't get food at all. And I'm gonna choose don't get food at all because I have food at home. And it should be fine for a couple of days. So I'm gonna go home. Somebody sent a message to me saying that the water plants might shut down and that we should start filling up water bottles. So I'm gonna do that just in case, but who knows? Hopefully that doesn't happen. Anyways, I'll talk to you again in a minute. I'm gonna walk back to my apartment later. What's up, guys? So I made it back home. Trader Joe's was closed, so that was kind of a wasted 2-3 hours, something like that. I don't remember what time I started, but anyways, hiked 7 miles, so I got some good exercise in. Hopefully the video is cool that I show you guys. I mean, technically it's not cool because everything's shut down and can't get any food, and you know, but anyways, stay warm, everybody. If you live here in Texas or somewhere where the power is out, just stay warm, get those blankets, things like that. Hope everybody stays safe. Hopefully this will be over in a couple of days. Later, everybody.